Hey guys, so my bad about not recording right at the bell or my watch list, but I was doing something and there's a couple things I'm watching. I'm watching AMD and Amazon. Um, AMD because we're coming to this red line right now, around this red line, and that's resistance. So we already established kind of a support trend line, and now I'll look to maybe add as it comes down, or if we drop below it and then come back, tap it, and then short off that level. So it's either one of those. We have room down here to 101.90 if this one's a break. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'll only buy around here, and if it provides an ABCD pattern. So obviously I'm only trading. Well, like when I enter, I'm only trading 100 shares, and then 100 shares again maybe. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna anticipate anything. I'm gonna wait for a break, have a certain certain profit target, and that's about it. So Amazon is respecting this line. Here we go. Now we're flushing below it. So now maybe if we come back up, tap it, and then drop, we can probably see. Hmm. So now we're probably gonna test. Let's see, Amazon 102.59. I'm gonna let it chill out. I'm gonna let it do its thing. 60. That's 20 cents. So even if we move up a little bit, I could probably enter on this pivot. If we move up, okay, that's 40 cents. I'm not gonna take that. Um, $25 maybe. We're gonna take that. Stop will be 120.51. I'm thinking that we reject this spot, and just flush through. So since I'm risking about 30 cents, I'll look for 30-cent profit. So 120.90. as we flush through. That's what I'm looking for. What the? Sorry about that, guys. I'm not sure why that happened, but I pulled it up on a different chart really quickly, and I got some out. But now I'll let this rest ride. I'll probably take out 25, 25 as we go, and the rest is break even. So 30 cents, took some at 90, 30 cents more, I'll look for 60 for the other 25 that I have. 67, 67 got out more. Okay, now I'll look for, now I'll let this flush too, so I'll hold only 10 more because even if it does, say if it does come back to VWAP, I'm only holding $8 of profit, so I'll still be up around 40 bucks. AMD now, um, I don't know, I don't really see anything clean on this. There's no real support or resistance lines anymore. This was a good one, but I missed it by trading or Amazon. Missed that, but I mean it's okay that I missed it. I don't really care. Um, I actually want to see if this creates a higher low. So if it does above this, then I'll have to get rid of it. Above that, I have to get rid of it. Okay, AMD, if we come back all the way up to like a double top, I don't know if we'll be able to short it or not, but I feel like if we at least come up to 130s, then we could short there because um, I don't know, because I feel like it might be a cup and handle, or I don't know, it's a 50-50, and I don't know if I want to trade that actually, but it would look good if it came down below this and then dropped. Double bottom maybe. Maybe I might be able to take another short here. I'll out 40 bucks on that trade, which is pretty good. Um, the market's coming up to a VWAP, so we might be able to short there. And this looks like it might be a good short as we come into this level. So let's watch it. Okay, the market's breaking through VWAP right now. Okay, and I want to see a reject. I don't know. It's a good pattern right there. Even Amazon, look at that, back to break even, and now pushing back.
did buy it back up at 115. So I'm going to look to get towards the mouth there, and I'm not going to ignore what's going on in Alibaba. 115, I should have just taken it out at that price. I'll take it out now, rectify what I think was a little bit of a mistake, and it's the same thing. Although I felt with Billy, I felt a little more confident on because it was the worst of all of these names. But it is approaching that 27 level. So initial flush at the open, it was able to give you a push back down to 26. It's in here with 26.5, and I'll give it to that top. But you got to watch out for what could be a bit of a roaring market. And then just to give you a couple of looks, I think we might have talked about AMD, NVIDIA bouncing off 185, its double top 187, has a shot to also go. These are the kind of things that can drag the market up. Now, yesterday in the weakness, the chip names were part of the reason that dragged the market to the downside. Chips start to carry it to the upside today. That is going to be a major lift for this market to be able to go green. So watch out AMD and NVIDIA here to the upside.
Okay, so we just started. Okay, so Baba's come back in. We did take some more Amazon shares here as well. We have a plan of action for that. We've already talked about that. Alibaba as well. But then there's a new trade alert right here coming through next to the AAPL. I don't know. Let's just wait to see here. The market's pretty strong here. If the market does pull back, I feel like Apple does fall. Obviously, sub 147 right now. We're short right here, 147.25. And let's just see. There it is. It broke through that level. And you know what? I mean, we talked about this all morning about Apple, how we wanted to short. We got to take advantage of that when it bumps back up. I mean, you know, if we're going to be wrong, we're going to be wrong. And this market looks like it's trying to tell us it wants to go upside right now. So that's, you know, where we take the shorts because they're at sort of key levels. But at the same time, like, you're not going to be short Amazon, Alibaba, and Apple if this market rips up. I mean, that sounds absolutely ridiculous to do that. So we're going to have to wait. And I don't want to be short all day, obviously, if the market keeps going. But we talked about that 148 right there. It's on our sticky note here. Still short it until it gets over 150. So we're going to try to stick with that. But what I mean by it is that I'm not going to be that guy that just puts all these shorts all the way up. So we're going to have to wait for some key levels to come through here. My next offer on this name is 148. So if we can get back up here into 148, that's where we don't mind taking more shares. And then we'll see what happens after that. 148, 50, 149, all the way up to 150. So, hey, maybe the market does want to bust up right now. That could make sense. We have CPI tomorrow. We already know what the Fed's going to do next week. So, hey, maybe uncertainty isn't in the market anymore. And we'll just wait to see. But here we go, man. Amazon, there's a good price for us, up to 120.90 right now. So, okay, we're getting ready for some fun here.
Apple 750.
Yeah, Tesla 750 as well. That's the key level that you were looking at.
Oh, yeah. So, look, obviously the first time it was a heck of a lot better. You can't, like, if you throw an offer, you have to be sitting there. We talked about this before. Sometimes you have to be sitting there because it gets to a key price, and the second, like, people start offering in front of 750, it starts running away from it. It got to 48, picked up there. I tried to get, like, 48.5, and you see this immediately pull back. This is the way the market goes. Amazon now trying to test that 121. Billy almost back to even for me. I had to get out of F cells. That broke up again. F cells going up, the market is strong. Steel cells are not up to support. That AMZI is running. I did not get that 3 break, so I might have to buy a dip again. That is on the way to that 350, but right now I'm kind of focused on Tesla here. We get above that 750, it's still got room to the pre-market high, and I do want to try the short before I even think about that long. This market has gone green, but Tesla's not through resistance just yet. Keep your eye, like I said, on some of those tip names, because obviously if you get to the top on something like an AMD or an NVIDIA, that could really start to carry the market. NVAX is holding the low at 48, not being dragged up by the market. So with this move to the upside, just noting the relative weakness in NVAX, I didn't think it would follow the market. Kind of glad to see that it isn't. But the only short that isn't coming right back at me is NVAX.
All right, Alan. Get the people's trader, not listen to the people. Alan wants it here. He went long. Where are you, Alan? I just saw you right there. Alan Atkins, can you spin a money for me going long? AMD at 101.50. Here you go. Let's go. There it is. You got the money coming through now, Mr. Alan Atkins. There you go. Congratulations on your AMD trade. I mean, we love AMD longs, man. There's no doubt about that. Unfortunately, I was not sitting here looking at Amazon, looking at all these other names, but there it is. When the market explodes, there's no better name to be long, honestly, than AMD Advanced Micro Devices right here. Up to 103.50. Unbelievable how aggressive this name is when the market runs. So the NASDAQ is exactly doing that. We're still in this short. given some back, but it's not like a hell of a lot of money or anything here. Our net is great. Amazon is now officially reloaded. 120.80 right now. Yeah, we got to start putting some bids out here. We have a lot of shares on Amazon. This is one of my bigger positions that we've had over the last little while on AMZN. So yeah, a pullback in would be nice. And again, 122, 121 just got breached. So let's see now. The market wants to climb. We can be wrong on a name. I mean, we've been wrong before, as you guys know. So this could be the case on Amazon. But we are nicely in the money now. Yes, sir. Bang! Let's spin it for ourselves now. As there it goes, money, money, money. I like Shanice in the background there, spinning it as well. So it's a nice little move here for us on Amazon. And by the way, Baba still holding out as well. That's $1 in the money. 40 cents in the money here. Apple is the only thing that's concerning me. And 99 problem, Apple even ain't one. Because look at Amazon coming back in right now. Good trade for me on this one. If this collapses, man, we are really going to be spinning that money, money, money here for AMZN, guys.
Amazon making a nice little pullback. AUVI got to 325, so it's halfway to that 350 area. Once it gets to 350, I'd be looking to the other direction. I'd be looking for some shorts over there in AUVI. ADRC also making some moves in the free market, but sorry, in the open market, but it's already fading. Like it got to $10 and reversed. I understand it's been a mover before, but this is starting to run out of steam and volume, and that $10 looks like a little bit of a line in the sand for that one. Just one other name, we just talked about a firm. Yeah, firm just only went to the downside. We just got back to 23. I like 23.65 for my little spot to get short in front of it. Even in the midst of this market push, you're not seeing a firm back up to that price. I'm going to still stay on that offer, man. I still like it. If we can get it, we'll go short in the firm. Still trying to grab some Tesla shares. I don't want to pay down to 745. Not when my initial look was to try to find some long ideas for Tesla. And I never got that trade, obviously, at 725. But if we can catch it, we can catch it at 47.5, maybe 48. That's the only trade I'm going to like. I haven't taken any of my reload out on Amazon. I feel like if it's going to go, it should be going to 120. We'll see if that ends up being true. This market is starting to come back into the downside, as you can see here. And that also means what was strong in this NVIDIA couldn't get through that high of the day. You want to watch out. If we broke the top on the chip name, then you know the shorts would be in some trouble. We actually pull back in here. If you want to find something that's going to be strong, it's the chips. But I think you buy the dips on those to get a chance, and then stick to the shorts and stick to the
Yeah, guys, I'm just starting to get, I mean, I have to be on the bid here. I have many shares of Amazon, so although I would love to hold all the way to the downside, unfortunately, when this comes in and I start seeing the cash pile up, I do like to take some out here. So as we go on Amazon, I am on the bid. I just missed a 120.40 there. Oh, I wanted to take a 120.50. This is, like, again, I told you.
So guys, obviously, we rejected right here. But like I was thinking that it might be a cup and handle, and it still might be, but I don't know like if I can actually trade it anymore. I don't see it. Like right here was a good move. I traded it fairly well, and I think that I might just be done for the day. I'm already up 43 bucks. Even though that's not my daily goal. Obviously, 100 is my daily goal, but you know, like after this week, after this week, and so far this month, you know, maybe it's better I get what I get and leave it. Um, so yeah, let me just let's do the recap again here. Um, so where do we get short? I got short, not on AMDMs. So I got short Amazon here at, as we broke this view up spot. My stop was around 120.47. 60 was kind of far away, so as we came down, I thought we were just gonna flush, so I made it 120.51. If we did break out, I think that we would make another move back up. So I said, nah, I'm just gonna keep it tight a little bit. 20 cent, 30 cent loss, and then we broke down. After coming back up, we broke down, and I covered most of my position through this move, and then I kept a small piece as we broke this high, making a higher low. So I knew that this was going to be bad, so I got rid of it, and we moved back up. Um, and now we're just consolidating here in a cup and handle formation, I guess. So I mean, it looks good to trade, but it looks pretty good to trade, but we could have took AMD as well, same spot, 938. Let's see, yeah, 938. But we were already in a trade, so this one would have probably been better to trade. It's only 30-cent risk again, but we got the immediate flush, and let's see how. So 190. That's about what is it? 190. That's about 90 cents. This was kind of choppy. This was about the same, but it was more riskier because the VWAP was right under us. This one was the VWAP was above us, so that one might have been better, but I don't really see that as good support and resistance. This one was choppy as well, so as we go through the day, I think it's gonna get choppier and choppier. More difficult to read the lines and stuff. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Probably gonna, I don't know what we'll do, but let me see. I did the recap. Yes, I did the recap. Now we'll just well, let's bring up our trade review stuff. I already implemented my trades in. Okay, so this is my day. Obviously straight to 45, but we obviously gave some back as we closed that one position. But this is my week so far. Obviously starting off terrible into the red already. It's okay, I guess. We'll make it back, but now I have to be more cautious. Even this month so far, we already crashed down. So now I guess I'm making my losses back. My losses are way bigger than my winners, which is terrible. But I was kind of trading very aggressive here, and right now I'm not trading that aggressive. I'm trading I guess 100 shares on break, and during those days I was trading about 300 shares, adding into a position, and right now I'm just buying once, letting it drop, taking off, and that's about it. That's all I'm doing right now. That's all I'm doing, and I mean, I guess it's okay because um, I'm taking profits, but I don't know, like, we'll just keep going with it and see how it is. My my metrics are not that good, obviously, but I don't know. I'll get the hang of it. I already know. I'm confident in myself that we'll be able to make these all back. I already did it once before, and I can do it again. I did it a couple times actually, so I'll be able to make these back. There's no issue with that. Um, so not really worried or anything because I see the way I'm trading right now. I'm very slow with it. Obviously, coming off of this, I'm not really. Well, I am kind of annoyed that I'm only making these, but I'm not letting it affect my trading, and I'm jumping in, like trying to make the next big trade, and I'm taking it day by day, making small amounts, and then I'll increase my share size to 150 and 300 and whatever once again, like I did in May, like I did in May. I just slowly started, then I increased again, then I increased again, and you can see with my profits how they increase as the week goes on. Like I had $20 days, and then I had a couple shitty days. Well, I don't know if I was trading increasing these days, but and then I increased again, and it was slightly bigger than this, and then I traded again, and this was bigger than this, having $90 days, having $57 days, $70 days, $80 days, rather than having 50 consistently. So I'll obviously get in again and build it up again, and maybe this time I'll be taking off. So this week, obviously need to make back some losses. Next week I'll probably trade again with 100 shares till I make up this month so far, and then yeah, that's about it. So yeah, all right. See you guys later. Uh, yeah.